What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be demoing a 500 gram cake from TSky Fireworks called Fire Tiger. It is an 8-shot cake. Check out the artwork and let's look at the performance. Right over here, look at those photos. The performance is gold pine tail to gold pine tree with red strobe, green strobe and red palm tree, sea power of pure gold from it. The powder is up to 500 grams, noise 9 out of 10, altitude high, and the pattern is panoramic. Let's take a look underneath this hood. So this is the front of the cake. We got 3, 3, and 2 for a total of 8 shots. The last one, the finales are angled. And this cake is actually part of the assortment from TSky called Unleash the Beast. This is a tiger one. They got a lion, a bear, and a panther. So I'm excited to really shoot this one off. We got this over there at Big D's in Hawley, Pennsylvania. Make sure you click up here. And yeah, I'm excited to shoot this one off. So if you guys like this cake, drop a like on the video and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you guys.